You are now tuned into the amazing, the incredible, the one and only, Johnny Crypto.
Hello out there to my YouTube audience. Today is July 18th, 2018. Johnny Crypto here bringing you another video. Today I'm going to be discussing the Byteball Steem Airdrop. Okay guys, so about 6 days ago, Byteball officially launched their Steem Airdrop. Now, what exactly is Byteball and what do they intend to give Steemians in this airdrop? They are offering 1 million plus Steem users free Byteball bytes. That's the native token of Byteball DAG. And they're going to be doing this with the Byteball Steem bot. Correction, they've been doing this. I've already received my airdrop, and this is why I'm telling you about it. Because if I can get free money, you can get free money. You need a Steem account. It needs to have a nice reputation. This video is specifically for people who are Steem members already. So if you have a Steem account, your reputation is looking pretty solid, then this video is for you. I'm going to talk about how you go about doing that. Well, if you want the airdrop, you'll need to connect your Steem username to your Byteball wallet. Byteball is going to pay you a reward from their undistributed funds, and they're going to send you bytes in exchange for connecting to your Steem account. So, the way it works is if you have a Steem reputation above 30, you get a $10 reward. Above 40, you get 20. Above 50, you get 40. Above 60, you get 80. And if you've got above 70, which will be amazing, even I don't even have above 70, you have a $160 reward. Now, you only get 50-50. So what this means is that you get a liquid 50%, and the other 50% goes into a smart contract that gets unlocked after a year. So it's just going to sit in your Byteball wallet, and it's going to mature. And in a year, it's yours to spend, and it might be worth a lot more than what it's worth today when they send it to you. So that's the good news about that staking. So anyways, what we've got going on here is basically you need to download the Byteball wallet, which you can do. I will leave a link below so you can get to this post and you can walk through this for yourself. But you're going to get the single address wallet. You're going to need to get 0.0006 gigabytes in your wallet in order to do this. And if you want to leave a comment in the YouTube below with your wallet address, I can take care of that. I can help you out. All you need to do is leave a comment below and I'll get you started with that. But basically, you're going to click on the chat button. You're going to go to the bot store. Then you're going to go find the Steem attestation bot right here. Now, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to click on this blue button right here. It's going to ask you to connect your Steem account. You're going to connect through Steem Connect, and at that point, it's going to ask you to send a payment. There's going to be two options. You can either click on a link that it provides, and if you don't have any bytes, that you can still get up to 80%, I've been told, or you need to get the money from me or someone else, and you need to send a payment. This payment request of 0.5 right here, if you see that, to the bot. Then the bot will register you, then you get your free bytes. So that's how the Byteball airdrop works. It worked for me, and it'll work for you. Okay, thanks a lot for tuning in, you guys. I will see you in the next video.
You are now tuned into the amazing, the incredible, the one and only, Johnny Crypto.